Hi creators! We're excited to announce the new HitPaw VikPea 5.2 update, and this one is a big upgrade. We finally got new AI video generation models, better restoration controls, and even AV1 export support. So let's go through what's new and what it actually means for you. You can download the latest version through the link in the description to get the best experience. Now let's dive in. First up, AI video generation. Back in version 5.1, I mentioned that our goal was to make AI video creation more convenient by providing a smoother workflow. That's why we started integrating most of the popular AI video generation models into one place, so you don't have to constantly switch between different tools. In 5.2, VikPea now supports Kling 01 multimodal video processing, along with new generation models including Kling 2.6, Pixverse 5.5, and Cdance Pro 1.0 Fast. These models are faster and more stable, especially for talking characters and cinematic scenes. And we'll continue adding more models in future updates to keep improving the workflow. Next up, let's move on to enhance function. In this update, we added Portrait Model under AI Generative Model. It's designed for low-resolution videos, intelligently restores blurry details and fills in missing textures for portrait video. Additionally, we've introduced customizable adjustment parameters under both the General Restoration Model and the UHD Restoration Model. This allows you to fine-tune the settings more flexibly based on your footage and the exact visual result you want to achieve, giving you greater control over the enhancement process. Finally, let's talk about workflow improvements. VikPea 5.2 now supports H.265 and AV1 export, giving you smaller file sizes while maintaining better quality. We also added support for more professional input formats, including DV, MLV, M2TS, M2T, M2V, NUT, and SER. This means you can process footage directly from more cameras and archives without converting them first, saving time and avoiding quality loss. So overall, this update is designed to give you a more convenient workflow and a wider selection of AI models to choose from. Download the latest version from the link in the description and try it yourself. If you want tutorials or best settings for different types of videos, subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.